When I turned 16, I got my license, and my cousin had a custom deck building company in Canada, and I went and worked with him for a summer and realized that working outdoors is probably the best fit for me versus sitting at a desk. I really like building decks because just being able to build a deck in a handful of days, and it just totally transforms the space, and it really gives that wow factor for clients. Nothing was there before, and now they have something beautiful that's going to last for decades. This project we're working on right now is up in Genesee, Colorado. With it being Colorado, you can have snow fall and snow stay on the ground for up to a week. When moisture and water sit on framing material, which is wood, it's going to rot it out. It's going to decay it over time. If we're going to put top quality material on the deck, it's got to be on a frame that's going to last. Clients want to have a job done once, they want it done right, and they want to enjoy it for decades. We use pressure-treated lumber, and instead of a deck lasting the industry standard 13 to 15 years, our decks are going to last 20 to 30, 40, 50 years, and we really take pride in the building practices and building techniques and the materials that we use. For this project, we use ProWood's TrueFrame Joist. It has additives in it to help stabilize it, to help resist twisting, warping, cupping, all of the natural wood defects that we deal with. This product allows us to look better to our homeowners because we're not fighting the natural wood defects that we get in other boards. When we place the piece of wood there, it's going to stay there. The deck's going to look fantastic when we leave. It's also going to look fantastic down the road. Really, really impressed with this product. Building like a pro is showcasing that you've done your job for long enough where you're an expert to understand how things work and why things work. Building something that's going to look fantastic today, that the homeowner is going to love, and that you can go to 5-10 years down the road and still be proud of because it's in the exact same shape it is when you left it.